In Robert Kiyosaki's wildly successful book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he boldly stated that your home is not an asset or investment. It is a liability. While many experts in the world of finance say that your home is your biggest asset. So ano ba talaga? Is your home an investment? Let's find out. I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal. So how is it that so many smart people have incredibly different views of what a home is? To answer this, let's first define investment. Investopedia defines it as an asset or item acquired with the goal of generating income or appreciation. Let me repeat, with the goal of generating income or appreciation. So some, like Robert Kiyosaki, may buy a home without expecting to generate income or appreciation, while others, before buying a home, will take into consideration the likelihood the property will give them financial rewards in the future. But this got me thinking, going back to the definition of an investment, to generate income or appreciation. So really, there are three levels of investments. And it is important to understand which benefits you can expect before you invest in a property or any other types of investments. Level 1. Asset that generates income but does not appreciate. The most common example of this are time deposits. But in terms of real estate, there are no real estate investments of this nature because generally, the value of real estate goes up over the long run. The next level is the asset that generates infinite financial and non-financial returns. You only have to hit that subscribe button to learn how to invest safely and smartly in real estate. Level 2. Asset that appreciates but does not generate income. These are investments that are holders of value but generate no income. Precious metals, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and fine art are some other type of investments that fall into this category. But in terms of real estate, investing in residential lots, such as those offered in Nuvali, Cavite, or Pampanga, can and probably will give you capital appreciation, but generally speaking, no one rents a residential lot. So do not expect to generate monthly income from this investment. Level 3. Asset that generates both income and appreciation. Investment types that fall into this category are dividend-paying stocks, bonds to some extent, and rental properties. Condos, townhouses, and house and lots are great examples of rental properties. When you buy one of these properties, you can lease it out as soon as it is turned over to you to generate income. It can also give you a great deal of appreciation, especially when you choose a property with strong fundamentals. If you want to know which locations and developments have strong growth fundamentals, schedule a free consultation with me by the link in the description. So is buying a home, be it a condo, a townhouse, or a house, for your personal use an investment? Yes, it is. It falls under level 2. It appreciates but does not generate income. So keep this in mind. Don't go overboard like buying a fancier or luxury home that you really can't afford to pay long term. Your home should give you a sense of security and stability instead of being a financial burden. But what's unique about buying a property as opposed to other types of investments is that you can eventually turn your home into a rental property, making it a level 3 investment. So you can benefit in two ways, through passive income and capital appreciation. With other forms of investments, this doesn't happen, or at least you don't get to choose when it happens. Again, one of the main reasons why I love investing in real estate is the incredible control on what I can do with it. At the end of the day, investing in a home will give you financial benefits both in the short term and long term, getting you one step closer to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to invest in real estate? Let me help you get the property that best suits your goals and maximizes your earning potential. I am affiliated with the most reputable and trusted developers, offering a wide range of affordable to luxury residential developments in Metro Manila and adjacent emerging cities. So sign up now for a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Let's get rich and financially free, one property at a time. Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.